Anthropic's new Claude Cowork just sent shockwaves through global markets, wiping $285 billion off software stocks overnight. This AI tool automates multi-step workflows for non-coders, threatening SaaS and IT giants by making routine office jobs obsolete. Indian IT firms felt the heat instantly as investors panicked over AI's power to replace traditional outsourcing. Imagine creating high-quality vocal music in under 2 seconds, even on a basic PC. The new open-source A-Step 1.5 AI model lets you generate full songs with vocals, runs on less than 4 GB VRAM, and supports LoRa fine-tuning. This tech beats commercial models, making pro-level music production accessible to everyone. Global AI hardware supply chains just got a punch in the gut. Nvidia's AI chip sales to China are stalled again by a U.S. security review. This policy move could shake up the entire market and keep everyone on edge as regulations keep shifting. Nvidia's business and global AI development might take a serious hit if these restrictions stick. Gemini just split its tools menu, making it way easier to spot what's solid and what's still in the lab. The new Labs section highlights experimental features like agent and personal intelligence, while a fresh toggle lets you control if Gemini personalizes your chat. This update only hits the web app for now, but it's all about giving users more control and a sneak peek at what's coming next. Meta's CEO Mark Zuckerberg is throwing down a wild bet. By 2026, your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp could be run by AI that knows your every move. This vision means 3.5 billion users will get apps that act like personal AI companions, using your history and preferences to serve up content and commerce. But with $115 to $135 billion in spending and privacy alarms blaring, is Meta's Superintelligence the next big thing, or just another tech power trip? Gemini's new screen automation on Android lets AI book rides and place orders for you, but Google says you better keep an eye on it. The feature works only on certain apps, and Google stresses users are responsible for any mistakes. Privacy checks are in place, but don't use it for sensitive stuff or emergencies. Anthropic just dropped a legal AI that's got the whole industry sweating. Relx watched over £6 billion vanish from its market value as this tech flex hit hard. This move shows how next-level AI can wreck old-school giants in seconds. Agentic coding just crashed into Xcode 26.3, letting AI agents like Claude and Codex build, test, and fix your code with zero mercy. Apple's new Model Context Protocol means any compatible agent can now run wild inside your dev workflow. Developers can command projects with natural language, automate builds, and roll back changes instantly. No more tedious manual grind. Forget waiting years for answers. Google's AlphaGenome just dropped, using AI to scan millions of DNA letters and predict disease risks before symptoms hit. This beast cracks 98% of non-coding DNA, revealing hidden triggers for cancer, heart disease, and mental health issues. But heads up, lab validation is still needed before it goes mainstream. OpenAI is throwing down hard, ditching long-term AI research to pump up ChatGPT and its core models. Top execs are bailing, as the company faces brutal competition from Google and Anthropic, all to keep that $500 billion valuation looking sexy. This move means less love for experimental projects, raising big questions about the future of real AI innovation. Forget those clunky menus. Google Maps is about to let you edit locations just by chatting with Gemini AI. The new feature lets users type or speak natural language suggestions for place edits, which Google will review before going live. This move could make updating maps way faster and easier, shaking up how everyone keeps info fresh. OpenClaw lets AI models run wild with your files, but that freedom comes with a fat security risk: prompt injection. Hundreds of malicious skills are spreading malware through OpenClaw, exposing users to data theft and system compromise. If you give these AIs full access, you better lock down your setup and never trust unverified skills.